This glossy, delicious garlic, green beans and carrots vegetable mix is totally worth trying because it's very nutritious. It's convenient because we've added in several ingredients and the outcome is just mouth-watering. Perfect as a side dish, and yeah, every bite will be filled with goodness. When shopping for groceries in the market, you usually come across this vegetable mix, specifically green beans and carrots that are chopped up. So that is the key ingredient in this recipe, and also I've chopped up some garlic, onions, zucchini. I have some fresh tomatoes over here, tomato paste, some spices. Actually, there are 2 spices, that is paprika and black pepper, and I have some cornstarch and salt. You're going to place a pot or a pan over medium-high flame and add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. When the cooking oil is ready, you're going to saute your onions. That is going to take around 30 seconds to 1 minute over medium-low flame. And when your onions are soft, you're going to add in minced garlic. This is 3 cloves of garlic. And cook the garlic for around 30 more seconds until it's nice and fragrant. Keep stirring as the garlic is cooking because it burns really fast. And once you catch a very nice aroma in the kitchen, the garlic is ready and onions. So you're going to add in tomatoes and a teaspoon of tomato paste. Stir in your tomatoes and tomato paste. Add in a splash of water so that the tomatoes can cook down, and that is going to take around 1 to 2 minutes. So the tomato paste is going to add in a very nice color to our dish and also some flavor, while the fresh tomatoes are going to add in that very nice fresh tomato flavor. There's a difference between tomato paste and fresh tomatoes. So I'm going to let this cook, and while it's cooking, I'm going to be adding in some seasoning. That is some paprika and garlic powder. Add in a vegetable seasoning cube, which you can switch with some salt if you don't have the seasoning cube. But I would highly recommend you trying out the seasoning cubes because it has nice vegetable flavor. Stir in the seasoning and let everything cook. And because my vegetable mix is already prepped up, it's going to be very easy for me to cook. I find that, yeah, if you buy this mix, you just get straight into cooking, and within a matter of around 5 minutes, your dish will be ready. Just a slight mashing and the tomatoes will be cooked in no time. When your tomatoes are ready, just like this, you're going to add in your vegetable mix, which you have already washed. Mix in together with your tomatoes. Add in your zucchini at this point also. Then you're going to toss the zucchini together with the vegetables. Add in a splash of water, which is going to help everything to cook for around 1 to 2 minutes. You don't want to overcook the green beans, and also you want the carrots to have a crunch while you enjoy your delicious stew. So while everything is cooking over medium-low flame, I'm going to be adding in, let me keep this aside. I'm going to be adding in a splash of water, around 2 tablespoons of water to my cornstarch. Then I'm going to use a spoon and stir in the cornstarch until it's fully dissolved into the water. The cornstarch is going to help our delicious veggies to thicken up and the gravy to turn out very nice and glossy. So once done, I'm going to check on my pan. The green beans still have that green color, so they're not yet cooked. So I'm going to give my dish around 1 more minute. So after buying my vegetable mix, I added in 1 more carrot because the carrots were not a lot. Yes. So that you can catch all the lovely colors, and also each bite will have a carrot to crunch on. Check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, you're going to add in more salt. To fully season my green beans, then you're going to stir in, and after 30 seconds, you're going to add in your cornstarch slurry. After adding in your cornstarch, you're going to cook for around a minute so that the cornstarch can cook together with the veggies. And oh, this is looking so good. This is a recipe for around 2 to 4 people because it is a side dish. Just look how perfectly cooked the veggies are looking, and every veggie is coated with the delicious sauce. Perfectly seasoned. Yeah, it's ready to serve. So I'm going to put out the flames, and it has been an amazing 6 to 7 minutes, and the dish has turned out perfect. It's glossy. It's just the perfect side dish to serve over some rice, chapati, or even some naan. And even you can serve the delicious garlic vegetable mix over brunch or breakfast. Catch you on my next one.